It's Fanning Excavating and another local residential project. A water line went bad in their driveway. You see what happens. You got to take out part of the driveway to get down to it. It's about $10 in parts and a whole bunch more in repairing your driveway. See the curb stop right there, and down at the bottom of that hole is a bad water line. At the bottom of that water line repair, you can see we repaired about 1 foot of pipe, replaced it. Generally happens right outside the curb stop at that fitting that gets a small pinhole, and through the years it develops into a bigger hole, and you end up with a big hole in your yard. So it's repaired and it's good as new. No job is too big or too small here at Fanning Excavating.